Back here with another Kaspa update. You know what really stinks is when you have a video just about done. I was wrapping it up and I lost my Wi-Fi connection. So now I got to start this all over again. All right. So, number one, I got a very awesome price prediction for you guys that for geez, 5, 6, 7, 8 years down the road, that should get you guys pretty pumped up, okay? Number one thing, this 702 fib level, that 14.4, all right? We're back down below that again. Remember what I told you guys about that? We have to break through that level to get higher, okay? With conviction. We can't just poke up through it and get rejected. That 702 is this green line right here, right? We poked through it. Now we're pulled back down below it again, okay? So we need to get up through that with conviction. I still believe it's a breakout. We broke out the top of this wedge. It's just a matter of time before it really starts ripping out of here, okay? A few things I want to go through with you. Over at CoinMarketCap, let's reload this because I ended up losing my connection. But look at the volume. 266%, $165 million. So up 266%. Market cap just over 3 billion, almost 3.1 billion dollars. And this is the article I have for you guys here. This is pretty incredible. All right, if you're looking for the Kaspa price prediction or finding the potential Kaspa coin, this price forecast can be helpful for you. Our price forecast is based on a deep technical analysis and the past performance of the Kaspa coin. Kaspa is a trending coin in the market and has gained a significant increase in 2023. Here we will try to analyze the potential of Kaspa in the long term. And we all know this is from Telegon. They do a pile of analysis, predictions, all kinds of stuff over there if you want to go out. This is from December 2nd. And this is going to blow your mind. All right, we all know it's a block DAG. It's a scalable layer 1 blockchain. All right, now if you don't know the difference between layer 1s and layer 2s, layer 1s are 10 times bigger than layer 2s. Okay, so layer 1s are massive. They're the biggest you get. They're on the same. It's like Ethereum. Ethereum is a layer 1. Okay, so layer 2s, if you see something as a layer 2, it is 10 times smaller than a layer 1. All right, Kaspa is a layer 1. All right, it has a clear roadmap for project growth in its native token. The Kaspa coin was launched without pre-mining or any other pre-allocation of coins. As we found through coin tracking websites, Kaspa is listed in many popular centralized exchanges like KuCoin. With new listings on other popular exchanges and community investment, the Kaspa coin may skyrocket in the upcoming months. All right. Oh yeah, start earning coin. I ended up getting this thing. I don't know. You might. It's a card you can get. You can mine on your phone. All right, but anyway, 2023 they have a minimum of 4 cents and a maximum of 7. We already went past that. We're at 14, so they needed to update that. 2024, 7 cents to 10 cents. 2025, 11 to 25 cents. 2026. 26 cents to 41 cents. Now next year, if we have the bull run in 2024 into 2025, I believe we're going $3 to $5. All right, I believe that wholeheartedly for 100%. All right, $3 to $5. 2027, 43 to 73. 2028, 64 to $1.12. This is where it starts getting pretty crazy, guys. 2029, $1.18 to $1.77. 2030, $1.79 to $2.84. Now look at this one. And then the next one, 2040, $6.25 to $8.14. And check this out. $18 to $22, with the average price being $20 in 2050. Is that achievable? Yeah, absolutely. You want me to show you how? All right, if Kaspa in the next bull run goes from $3 to $5, All right, let's look at this. Let me show you. All right, if you guys that have the trading courses, you know how to do this. You know how to get your price forecast for your tokens, and you guys already know how to do this. And congratulations, guys, because you guys, I got to give you a huge shout out, man. This goes from the longest to the newest members. And Andy, Jason, you guys been here since day one, man. Thank you so much. Trapper, you also, Lib, Baja, Ryan, Franny, Noted Trader, LV, Will, and Marty. Marty rejoined there. He's got 3 months in. Thank you so much, guys. Falconeer, John, Benji, Jay. You guys all have a couple months in hosting. Will Hammer, Gesundheitler. I apologize if I got that wrong. Karat, prepping for beginners. You guys are all coming in on a month there. Eyes Wide Open, FMK, Thomas Mongold, Kevin B, Salmonex, Blue Safari, Christian, Dez. How about this name? Kaspa God. How cool is that? Zozo. Not sure how to pronounce that one, sir. I apologize. Mike. Will. Spincy Productions. Arif Beta. A super supporter. Thank you very, very much, sir. Wes. Ruben. Enoch. And Rowdy Man. And Firm de la Plagna, I believe French. Rowdy Man, another super supporter. Thanks so much, man. Them super supporters. Wow, them are $50 memberships. Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate that. And the level 3s, level 4s, and super supporters are all the trading classes. I have got nothing but fantastic results. My goal is for you guys to sell the tops of your tokens when the time comes, all right? If, just the last bull run, if I would have sold the top of my gala, I would have made another $250,000. All right, I didn't even come close because I didn't know how to do it. I'm not making that mistake again. All right, if I could have came across something like this for 15 bucks to learn how to sell the top of my bags, I would have paid that in a heartbeat. I paid $500 after the bull run to learn how to read charts. I've included all that in my lessons. Everything is out there. So you guys know how to sell the tops now. You guys know how to, everything I know, you guys know now. And you're learning. And I have gotten nothing but great feedback from these. And I've had a lot of people rejoin out there. And so thank you so much, guys. It means the world to me. Everywhere from an entry level to a level 1 to you super supporters, every single one of you mean the world to me. And all you guys that watch the videos and give it a thumbs up and stick by my side, thank you. I will not forget it. Believe me. You know, who knows what a channel can turn into. I don't plan on getting big. I'm happy where I'm at. I'm happy with the crew I got, the community I have. I'm happy right where I'm at. You know, I got enough crypto out there. Hopefully, I can sell the tops and hopefully never have to work again. That's my dream. All right, and that's what I want for all of you. Okay, you know, if it's worth it to you, spend the 15 bucks, man. Learn how to sell the tops. That $15 you will gain back in no time. I guarantee that. I know that. Okay, I wish I knew what I teach to you, all you guys. I wish I knew that last bull run. It would have helped me so much. I was guessing. I had 80,000 Cardano. I had 250,000 Gala. That's just 2 of my coins. I had 30 different coins and tokens, you know, so I had a pretty massive bag that could have probably set me up for life. And I didn't know how to sell the top. I didn't know what to look for, you know. So Congratulations, guys. That's what I want for you guys. That's what I want for all of you. So get it. You know, that's it. Just get it. So, all right, we showed this volumes up 266%. We showed this price prediction, $20. I want to show you how we can get to that. Okay, right back to this. If we go from $3 to $5 next time, all right. You guys that have the trading classes, you know how to use this stuff. Let's say we go to 350, 366, all right, just because that's the number I'm coming to. All right, during the bear market, we retrace back down, I don't know, to whatever, 16 cents, let's say, all right. That would give a target for the bull run after that of $15, all right. If we hit $15 4 years after the next bull run, all right, we're into what, 2029, all right, $15, all right. So then we go from $15 as our high. We'll go with whatever, 1534, and say we retrace back down to, I don't know, a dollar, okay. Look at this. Look how crazy these numbers can get. Okay. That would give the next bull run a $61 target. Is that possible? I have no idea. That would be the 20, 29, 31, 2033 bull run. That's 10 years from now. Who knows what could happen? $3 to $5 don't seem possible, but if we hit $3 to $5, then the next target is $15. All right, for the next bull run after that. And if we go from $15, all right, let's make sure we 100% we did this right. Let's go back down here. All right, if we go from, say, let's go with we say $3 to $5. Let's go with $4. $4 down to a retracement in the bear market of 20 cents, say. Okay, that gives us a $16 target for the next bull run. All right, if we hit $4, 4 years after that, $16. Okay, all right. So 4 years after that, if we hit the $16. $16, we'll go with 1562, and then we have a retracement down to, I don't know, say 70 cents, whatever. Look, then you have a $63 target. Is that, I don't know if that's possible. That sounds a little outrageous. I don't know. I don't know. Nobody knows, okay? But you guys that know how to use these, I've showed you before, they work, all right? If we go back to Bitcoin, let me show you real quick, just so you're convinced that these work. All right, 2017 bull run, Bitcoin. It went up to 20,000 bucks. We were looking for the next target for the next bull run. All right, so we put the fib on it, pulled it down to the bottom. There we go. That gave us our target. All right, for the next bull run, right there. Pull it over, get down to the bottom. There we go. We came up very close to it. Gave us a 75,000. We ended up hitting 69. All right. The next bull run target for Bitcoin is going to be, we go from the top to the bottom, $242,000. Is that achievable? Absolutely. That's a 4x. All right. So there you go. That's how it works. It works the same. I could show you on Ethereum. I could show you on numerous coins. The Fibonacci works. All right. So we'll see what happens. All right. Anyway, let's move on here. The Block Explorer, we are up to, look at this, 90 petahash. 90. This was at 17 a couple months ago. 90 petahash a second, the hash rate. So the hash rate is absolutely killing it. All right, we have, if I come over here and show you these top addresses, we're ranked number 25 right now. I want to show you these because the sharks are piling up. All right. Let me come up here. Let's get that off there. Show value. Okay, right here. Sharks plus 42 in the last 7 days, plus 47 sharks. All right, so they're piling up. Look at these. Look at these numbers. They put the crabs back on there. But -3 whales, -4 in the last 7 days. Some people taking some profits, obviously. You have to. When you own that much, 10 million to 100 million, you got to take some profits. All right, so definitely add it. All these are in the green, big time. Okay, so let's get back over this chart. Number one, we showed Bitcoin. I wanted to show you this too real quick, guys. Look at gold. Remember how I talked about gold setting a new all-time high? There you go. It broke it. Broke the triple top, and it's giving it a target here at 2355 with the Fibonacci, the trend-based extension. But there it is. There's the new all-time high for gold, $2,146. It took out that triple top. Boom. Busted right up through it. So gold got a new all-time high. The Dow Jones is super close to setting a new all-time high. As soon as Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, that's when we're going to have our alt season. All right? I'm expecting this thing on the monthly. We're right at the top. The weekly is turning up, okay? Whoops, sorry about that. Let me get that off there. All right, now the 1.618 is giving this thing a target of 56%. You can see it's broken up through the fib levels. It's about ready to take out that 54.4 and at 5609. Hopefully that is the top. And as soon as that thing starts rolling over, all right, if this makes it up there and starts rolling over, that's when our altcoins are just going to go mad. That's when our alt season's going to start. So not financial advice, but I've been stacking my bags, because if it breaks this support line right here that it's been building since last year, all right, you go back down to the bottom here. This thing started last, November? All right, and it's up, let's see, from the bottom up to there, 37%. So once that breaks support, these altcoins are just going to absolutely explode. All right, the Dow Jones, that thing's getting super close to setting a new all-time high. There it is. It's up through all the fib levels. Boy, or it's going to double top, which would be extremely bearish. Okay, we'll keep an eye on that. The Dixie, there you go. That thing on the weekly is, I believe, starting back up. It hit that 618. Yep, look at that. Perfect pullback to the 618 fib level, and it's bouncing. All right, the weekly is reset, and it looks like it's going to start another march up here. All right, let's take a look at Kaspa. The total market cap, also, I do want to show you real quick, because this is the total market cap of crypto. All right, once it gets up to these levels, let me get on the monthly. All right, up at just over 2 trillion. That's the 618. And a 702. All right, that is the danger zone. That is the area you want to be extremely careful, because if this is a retracement, all right, quite honestly, that total market cap, especially when Bitcoin hits that area at 48 grand, I am probably going to be exiting a lot of my positions, just for the simple fact that is a very dangerous area. If this is just a retracement and the bull run is next year, if Bitcoin gets up to these levels, just be super careful, all right? Because the monthly is getting up there pretty high, all right? The weekly, same thing, right at the top, okay? So if it hits at 48 up to 53, right in that area is going to be a very, very dangerous area, okay? So you might want to consider taking some profits, okay? Now let's look at Kaspa. 14.2, looks like it's starting to push up now. Let's go to 12 hour. At 14.4 is what we need to break through here, okay? Let's get this off here. That's a 702 to 14.4. And it is pushing back up. All right, the 12 hour, you can see that 12 hour red candle. That 12 hours right at the very top of the RSI here. The daily, that's what's got me excited. That thing is just starting to push up, okay? We got the 8 hour at the top, looking like it wants to turn back up. Down here in the bottom, this RSI is pushing back up, okay? So we got the 4 hour just about reset and pushing it back up, okay? So looks like it found a bottom here. I wouldn't expect it to go any lower than this 13, what is that, 13.6, 13.7. That looks like very good support, okay? I'm expecting it to break back through that 14.4 and continue up, all right? A target for this thing, we do have a couple targets here, okay, that we're going to have to keep an eye on. Number one, you can clearly see this is a 5-wave up. Now the question is, where does the wave 1 start? If it starts there, all right, this is going to give us a target up here at about 27 cents, okay? Now if we zoom in a little bit more, let's go in on a 4 hour, all right, and come over here, and it would look like a wave 1. It could possibly start right here, okay? Now if that's the case, low to the high to the retrace, we're looking at around 19 to 20 cents, okay? So we'll see what happens here, but it definitely looks like 5 waves up pretty clearly. All right, if we're going to daily, you can see them plain as day. Very beautiful 5-cent wave. Right here, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then after that you would have an ABC, possibly back down to the previous all-time high over here, and then you should start another 5 waves up. As long as the bullish trend continues, that would give the weekly RSI time to cool off and come back down and reset, and give this thing another shot at going higher. But things are looking great. $20. Do you believe it's possible or not, guys? You know, me down the road, I do believe it's possible. I 100% truly believe that $20, if it hits $3 to $5 an X bull run, then 4 years after that, I believe you know, a $20 mark is absolutely possible. Who knows where the crypto total market cap will be? You know, if you look at the let's look at this real fast. All right, go on to monthly. The next crypto market cap target, all right, is looking at. I like it on log to do this. All right, the next market cap we would be looking at. Now we hit 3.2 this time. We would be looking at 11.2. All right, so if we hit 11.2 that time, if we go off 11.2, then the next bull run after that, say we retrace back down to the previous all-time high, you know, then we're heading up to $39 trillion. All right, another 4x. All right, so is a $20 Kaspa possible with a $39 trillion market cap? Absolutely, especially if it's in the top 5 tokens or something like that. 100%. So, all right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member, and I will talk to you soon.